Hello, my name is Stacy. I've been teaching English now for 5 years. I started in the UK and then I did some tutoring over in Europe, one-on-one and also online. And now I've been working in Cambodia for the last 2 years teaching ESL at an international school. I've also got experience working with IELTS and IELTS test prep. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely let me know. Don't panic if this is something new to you. I'm just as eager as you are to get to know you, talk to you, and share this wonderful language with you. Any help or any questions, please just ask me. I'm very open. I love learning myself. I love learning about other cultures and the way you guys do things and things that make your country special, just the way as England is special to me. So if you want to have a chat, learn some more English, work on pronunciation or the IELTS test prep, please let me know. It would be a pleasure to meet you guys. Thank you so much.